So again, I'm going to hit save there. Next part we're talking about is kind of exciting because this is where it actually starts talking about being an architect. Before this point, we really were just kind of copying what was already done there. But we need to come up with some design ideas. So right here, we need to start understanding what's happening here. These two bathtubs here, we need to know how big they are. If we build them wrong, bathtub comes on site, doesn't fit. So I have to look, a standard bathroom is 60 inches or 5 feet from wall to wall and 32 inches deep. These are all the different Whirlpool ones, but 60 inches is pretty standard for creating that bathtub area. So if I go up into this wall right here and I take a peek, I need a 60 inches inside to inside there. So I come over here and I use my tape measure tool and I find out that that's 5 feet, that's 60 inches. Yours, I don't believe, is at this point. So I'm going to move mine a little bit just to be like yours. I think I already moved this one. But you're going to come in here and you're going to find out that that's not 60 inches. So we need to make that 60 inches or 5 feet. So I'm going to use this tape measure tool. And I just clicked on the corner there. And it's going to be easier if I click here on this edge and go 5 feet, enter. Now that is 5 feet away. So I know from this inside of this wall to here is 5 feet, so this wall has got to move. So I'm going to use the select tool, so I hit the space bar and I use the shift key to select both these walls. I'm going to hit the move tool and slide this over. And I got that piece done. Use eraser, erase my guide, and now I have my needed 5 feet inside here. The other thing I have to take a peek at, and this again is architecture, if I take a look, there's a tub faucet here, and there's a laundry sink on this side. So this is what we call a plumbing wall. There's a plumbing wall here, there's one here, it's an exterior wall, there's one here, that's an exterior wall, and here, and here. Those are all plumbing walls. So those walls actually need to be 2 by 6 walls. This wall could be fixed by just flipping this tub around, and then we could have a 2 by 6 wall here, and we'd be okay. But we're going to fix that up. So we're going to adjust that plumbing wall. So there was a 5 foot there, and this is a 2 by 4 currently, so 3.5 inches. I want that to be 5.5. My first one I recognized was kind of odd. So use a select tool, pick just that line, and hit move, and move that out. And I'm going to hit the eraser, and I'm good there. So now I got that plumbing wall set. I'm good to go. These two walls need to be plumbing walls as well. I'm going to grab my tape measure tool. I'm going to check this out. About 5 foot and 1/16. So we're going to do a little bit of moving here. We want to steal this space. So if I look here, I don't want to steal this space from this kitchen. I want to steal the space from this bedroom. I can take a 1/2 inch here or whatever, and it's not a big deal. If I go over to the kitchen and take stuff, I might run into a problem where I don't have enough space for cabinets. So again, that's one of those architecture things again too. So we're going to start out here. And I'm going to go tape measure tool. I need this to be a 2 by 6 wall, so that's going to be a 5.5. Then I need to be at 5 feet in between, 5 feet, enter. And then this one needs to be a 2 by 6 wall as well, so 5.5. So here's where my moving has to happen. First one, grab this line, just slide it over. Second one, grab this line, slide it over. Grab this line, slide it over. And that has just moved this, so I have 5 feet to make my tub spacing. I can use my eraser. And I also made 2x6 walls, interior walls, to make it for my plumbing walls.